Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the realm of Folixine on Daac Reviews Channel. We've crafted a comprehensive review video covering everything you need to know before considering a purchase of Folixine. Additionally, there are crucial alerts scattered throughout the video, so pay close attention to avoid mistakes in using or acquiring Folixine. The first piece of advice regarding Folixine is to be cautious about the website you choose for your purchase, as Folixine is exclusively sold on the official site. To assist you, I've provided the link to the official site below in the video description. Now, let's delve into what Folixine is and whether it truly lives up to its claims. The resounding answer is yes. Folixine has purportedly proven its effectiveness through extensive laboratory tests. Researchers have identified a natural formula with concentrated ingredients promising excellent results. With 12 carefully selected ingredients, this 2,000-year-old African hair growth formula stands as a unique entity worldwide. Each ingredient has been chosen for its follicle-enhancing properties. You can trust this product, with numerous individuals attesting to significant results. Testimonials on the official site echo success stories of those who've used Folixine. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that each body reacts uniquely, requiring a realistic approach to expectations. A vital aspect of this product is the option to test Folixine for 60 days. If you don't witness results or are dissatisfied for any reason, a money-back guarantee is in place. Feel secure in using Folixine, ensuring your purchase is from the official site to reap the benefits of this guarantee. For Folixine to work effectively, commitment to the treatment is imperative. Daily consumption of just one capsule is needed. We recommend taking it early in the day, preferably with breakfast, to maximize the absorption of our high-quality ingredients. Results may surface in the first month, but for most, optimal outcomes occur after 2 to 3 months due to the gradual nature of the product. Notably, Folixine boasts no side effects as it is a natural solution. In conclusion, this video serves as a cautionary guide for your Folixine journey. Exercise care in choosing the purchase site and, if you decide to invest, follow the treatment regimen diligently. Remember, your results will be unique due to your body's distinctive response. I genuinely hope this video aids you, and may Folixine genuinely enhance your life with its multitude of benefits. Remember, the official product site is linked in the description. If you'd like more content like this, subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.